Okay, Katrina, hit it. Katrina.
Testing.
Then after this, we're gonna have the movie, okay?
Hello. Hi, everybody. How's everyone tonight? Is everyone doing good? So I'm Katrina Pasau, and this is my band, K-Wire. So tonight we have Uncle Ramon on the bass. We have Uncle Lonnie on the lead guitar. We have PJ on the drums. And we have Uncle Angelo singing with me tonight. And I hope you guys have a good night and enjoy. This first song is Game of Love. So if you know the song, please sing along with me. Tell me just what you want me to do. One kiss, and you're the only one for me. So please family, especially my cousin Ching, who's in the crowd right now. And this is a song by Yang Constantino. It's called Hawak Kamay. Minsan madarama kang hiyan ng problema. Minsan mahihirapan ka ang masasabi, di ko na kaya. Tumingin ka lang sa langit, baka sakali may masuntulan. Hindi kaya dawahagin, malalaman mo ang kahit kailan. Hawak kamay, di kita paglabay. Basta mo naman tingnan. Hawak kamay, di kita iisawan sa paglalakbay. Sa mundo na minsan madarama mo ang mundo. Tumakbo sa ilalim ng iyong mga paa, at ang agos ng problema ay pinatay ka. Tumingin ka lang sa lalim, baka sakali may masumpungan. O di kaya tawagin, malalaman mo ang kahit kailan. Hawak kamay, di kita iiwan sa paglabay. Dito sa mundo magtitigas ka. Hawak kamay, di kita iiwan sa paglalakbay. Sa mundo ng kawalan, huwag mong sabihin nag-iisa ka. Laging isipin ay magkakasama. Narito ako, narito ako. Hawak kamay, di kita iiwan sa paglakbay. Dito sa mundo magtitigas ka. Hawak kamay, di kita bibitawan sa paglalakbay. Sa mundo ng kawalan. Okay, so our next song is a song that's been playing on the radio often, and it's been #1, and it's sung by a Filipino star here in America. It's called Just the Way You Are by Bruno Mars.